Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk to you about the Samsung Cup final game which were played a few days ago. I think about, this happened, right? Yeah, a few days ago, Shinjinso made the mouse click, the mouse miss in the first round. Yeah, and after he made this mistake and then he was making this reaction, yeah, of course it should be. And still, some people are thinking that that was his mouse miss, but I want to tell you the right situation. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, when he was playing the game, you can see that the table condition was quite clouded. Yeah, now you can see that he was using the monitor because his desktop was too small. So when you see the table condition, then you can see that they were saying that this line was in trouble, then this line was touching the touchpad. That's why it made the accident. Yeah. Of course, the many of the Korean Baduk fans were very mad for this situation. Yeah, because of, for a few months ago, and when they were Nongshim Cup final round, when Park Jong-hwan was playing against Fan Ting-wi, and Park Jong-hwan lost by timeout. At that time, he lost by timeout because the program, the Baduk program website was in big trouble, so he couldn't press in the Boyomi. So already that time was really the big accident. Yeah, of course these competitions are nowadays the competitions are played on the online, so it cannot be perfect, but when the top players are having the practice game on the online, then normally they don't really have a mouse miss or timeout. And actually, they are really good at handling of the mouse because they nearly practice every day. And I can really say that they are playing. The setting condition was in big trouble. Yeah. Because it was keep happening, and also in this Samsung Cup, then there was some other game, the timeout as well. So it can't be. I think really just we need to check carefully about that for the program or setting. Yeah, this is World Championship, and this was really final game. So all the Baduk fans were waiting for this competition, but the result was very horrible from this situation. So of course, the many of the fans should be mad for this situation. And after this game, still when they played the second game, still we couldn't know that whether there was a mouse miss or some other situation. But when they finished the second game and Koje win 2-0, and then Shinjinso had an interview, and the reporter asked him whether there was the mouse trouble or something else, and he said that obviously there was not the mouse trouble, but the mouse line was keep touching the touchpad, and because it wasn't locked, that's why when he realized that the line was in trouble, the mouse pointer was somehow keep moving. So when he realized that, and then he just tried to shake the mouse, and then there was an accident. But already was happened, so I have nothing to do. So I think just the player or the association has to care about it in the next competition. This was what he said. I think the Shinjinso really had a big mind that he can say like that, but yeah, of course we can't say this was obviously Shinjinso's problem, because it's not obviously the mouse click. Then he wanted to fix the condition. Yeah. Oh, anyway, yeah. After that, they asked the Shinjinso whether he wanted to complain about this and why you didn't do that. And they asked then at the first, and Shinjinso got the shock, and that's why he was thinking about it. But he thought the mouse miss is one of his fault, so he just didn't. He just decided to continue to play the game without complaining. Yeah. So yeah, I can feel he has a really big mind, and yeah, if because even though that they are playing on the online for in their home for the practice game, then normally it's not happen. But in this Samsung Cup, there was many accident. Yeah, not just for this game. So it's really the I really think that they have to prepare much better than this time. And a few weeks later, a few days later, and when is that? Anyway, the LG Cup is keep coming. LG Cup has to play on the online as well. Then there should, I think that really they have to prepare much better than this time. Yeah. So the many people are still thinking that that was the mouse miss, but obviously that was not mouse miss. Shinjin obviously say that. So that line and setting was in trouble. So yeah, it made like that accident. Yeah. Just I wanted to tell you about that condition. Yeah. For the first game, but I was impressive, because Shinjin was quite impressive because even though he made a very terrible the mistake, the accidentally, yeah, but he just continued to play really hard, and he has tried his best, and even his second game quality was really great, even though he lost to that. So if that was not happened, I think that this the Samsung Cup final was should be much interesting matching up for each other between Shinjinso and Koje. So still I think the Shinjinso and Koje, they will keep fight more game in the final game because they are just keep making the good result in all the world championship. Yeah. So anyway, everybody, just I wanted to tell you that was not obviously his mouse miss, and I really want to say that having the competition and the online is quite necessary, but I hope them to prepare much better than this time. Yeah, and then the Baduk fan has to enjoy, yeah, really well. I think that's their benefit. So that's it. Yeah, I don't know what to say more about that. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching for this video. Then see you guys next time. Bye bye.